Hi, I'm Executive Chef Joe Farrell. For me, teaching is really all about sharing experiences and sharing knowledge around food. Everyone has a story to tell. Yeah, and that really makes me happy. So you want to give it a few little, just try and mix it, get right in there with your, yeah. So there's a few ways you can do this. We're just gonna keep folding it over a few times, just to try and, make it a more uniform shape. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore. It's not something that should be a real burden on people's lives. I really want to teach people the confidence and capacity to be able to open up their kitchen cupboard and be able to cook something with whatever they find there. What's really important is to really teach students some basic life skills. Cooking doesn't have to be this big, intimidating thing. It can be something that's accessible and approachable to everyone. Come talk to us. We have a dietitian, we have lots of chefs. You'll find me all over campus. Yeah, come and talk to us, and just don't be afraid to cook.